To find the least common multiple, also called the lowest common multiple or LCM of two or more numbers, start by listing the multiples of each number. Then find the smallest number that appears in both lists. Example 1. Using the list method, find the least common multiple of 2 and 5. Listing the multiples of each number, that's our first step. Hint, use your knowledge of the timetables to find the multiples of a number. Alright, so we have 2 and 5. And what are the multiples of 2? Counting 2s, 2, 4, 6, there you go. And what are the multiples of 5? Again, counting 5, 5, 10, 15, and so on. Alright, let's continue. So what are the multiples of 2? Start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And we're going up until we are at 24. We can go more, but let's stop for here. Alright? Moving on. And what are the multiples of 5? 15, 20, 25, 30, and going all the way up. And we stop at 55. Question you ask ourselves. Find the smallest number that appears in both lists. Look at all of these numbers. Which are the smallest number that appears in both lists? Let me see. Okay. 10 and 10. So right here, we know that the LCM, or the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5, is 10. Now, you may ask yourself the question, but 20 also appears in both lists, but it's not the smallest multiple of the numbers. Okay. Example 2, still using the list method. Find the least common multiple of 6 and 10. Again, we shall start by listing the multiples of each number. Still using the hint, use your timetables. What are the multiples of 6? I know counting 6s are not so easy, but with practice, you will get it. 6, 12, 18. Until we stop at 36. We can go more, but let's stop here for now. Multiples of 10. Well, we all know how to count in tens. Alright, but still we stop at 16. Now, we ask the question, what is the smallest number that appears in both lists? Can you see it? Can you see it? Aha! 30 appears in both lists, and get the smallest multiple right here. I'm guessing if you go up higher up, you will find other numbers that are in both lists for both 6 and 10. But we want the smallest common multiple, so we stay right here. So the LCM of 6 and 10 is 30.